Welcome to the Filestar demonstration video. In this video, we'll be covering GDPR and compliance by showing benefits in the following 4 areas: data requests, retention policies, user permissions, and audit trails. GDPR has brought compliance into the light in recent times, and trying to manage some of these regulations with a paper filing system is very difficult and time-consuming. Filestar can help your compliance journey in 4 ways. The first item Filestar can help with is data requests, known as the right to be forgotten. Quite often a company will need to look in many different areas for the files, including filing cabinets, on users' PCs, servers, or in outsourced storage. This means that their data is very fragmented, and it takes time and money to find everything relating to their search. Filestar can make this easy by allowing someone in your business to view files across the organization, so that they can quickly find everything relating to a scanned file, electronic document, or email. Child nurseries are a key user of Filestar due to the fact they are business-to-consumer organizations and must keep their sensitive data for long periods of time. The following search shows an example of how that might happen, starting with the child name. We'll search for everything relating to the name Peter Robinson, and I could also use data fields and other fields to refine the search. We can also highlight those documents we've found at each stage, right-click and select Add to Basket, which will add the files into a temporary area that we can see on the Filestar menu. After we've completed all our searches, we can go back to the basket, highlight everything, generate an email link, and send on to the parent who's requested the information. The best way to do this is to copy the email link and paste into an email to the recipient. The sent email can also be added into Filestar using the Office add-in to show who the email was sent to. Once the parent has retrieved the information, it will show this in the document audit trail, which you will see later in the video. This process shows that the data request can be fully documented and audited for compliance. The second point Filestar can help with is retention policies. This refers to the length of time you should keep your documents for, and it will vary depending on what the document is. You may have some documents which need to be kept for 6 months, some for 15 years, and others may be permanent. Managing this process in paper can be exceptionally time-consuming, as the files are usually sorted by customer or supplier name, so they would need to be looked at individually to see how long you've had them for. In Filestar, we can set retention policies based on the individual document type. If we look at the Manage Document Retention Policies in the admin menu, we can set the document expiry date in months. When this time is reached, there will be a 3-step automatic process to remove these files with 30 days between each step. The first step will be to expire the document, which will remove it from the normal user search in Filestar, but it could still be found in Filestar's full audit report if needed. The second step is to soft delete the file, and then to finally delete the document at step 3. This means not only is Filestar managing the process for you, saving you a huge amount of time, but also getting rid of files you no longer need, saving you storage space in the system. Allowing users to be able to view only the files you want them to should be a key part of your security and compliance. Filestar can be set up and permissioned through users and groups to determine access and what the users can do with the documents once they've been found. This facility gives our customers the confidence that users can only view files they've been given access to. Being able to see what has happened to your documents is a useful feature, and Filestar achieves this by having an audit trail. On screen, you can see that we've selected an accident record in the system and then selected Properties. We can now see the Audit Trail tab, which shows when the document was added, modified, and even when links have been sent out and accessed. And that's our demonstration of Filestar. For more information, be sure to check our website at filestar.eu.